Good morning, everyone. Today's video is going to be changing out the water pump because since I've put this engine in, it's been leaking. On today's video, that is what we're going to take care of real quick. We're just going to swap one from the old motor because I don't see the point in buying a complete new one right now. Nobody has one around anyways. I'm not planning on waiting for it. I'm going to snag the one off the other engine and just put that on because that was done just not too long ago and the timing belt was done. So I'm going to swap that off of the other motor and pop them into this engine. So as you've seen, the drips and the routine that I have to do every morning whenever I need to drive this car, and I don't feel like doing that anymore. So I just stopped putting coolant in and it's starting to get warmer every time I drive it. So I'm just going to do the water pump real quick so I can just put coolant back into it and just call it a day. So that is the plan for today. Let's get started. It should be simple. I'm not recording too much, probably just a time lapse real quick. Okay, so it's been probably about maybe 20-30 minutes. As you can see, I have everything off. Water pump is out. It's a little crusty in there, but yeah. Um, I'm just gonna use my timing belt because it feels a little softer than the one that I got off, but it looks pretty new. Like, it looks new, but at the same time, it's not like, I don't know. I'm just gonna go with mine because I know it's new. Other than that, I don't see like any visible damage why it would be leaking for some reason. I don't know if y'all can see better than me, but I'm just going to put everything back together, put the other water pump on. This is the old one, or the one that was just on there. GMB, I'm not sure what that is, but hold on a second. With this one, like, it spins pretty decent, I guess, but it sounds like it makes a noise. I don't know if it should be spinning that freely. I don't know, but I'll take it off. There's no visible damage on the gasket itself, so I'm not sure why it's leaking. This is the one that I took off the other engine. That was prior in there. I just put a little RTV on there on the inside so it could hold it in just slightly. But see the difference? I don't know why. This one has a little more resistance on it, and then this one, as you see, I don't know if y'all can hear that sound. And then with this one, you don't hear that. Not as much, I guess. But we're just gonna put this one on. This is a new, although new to me, well, yeah, new one that I had on that engine that I pulled out. So I'm gonna slap this all back together, and then next clip should be just priming the coolant so I don't bore you guys, and hopefully it's not leaking. As used, might be upset. It's my car, obviously. If anything happens, the only person I have to blame is myself. So I'm not putting the lower covers on. I'm not putting the cover that goes on the top of the valve cover, or with the valve cover. The timing belt is going to be exposed. Oh well. I ran it on that engine like that. Never had an issue. Most of my engines, I never run them on there. So it's not a big deal to me. I'm going to slap everything back together like I said, and then next clip should be me starting the car. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, so as you see, everything is put back together. The car is started. No leakage like it was before. Not leaking. Timing is good. Everything sounds great. Like I said, I did not put any of the covers back on. I've never had an issue with it, so all looks good. It's starting to rain, as you see. So I'm just gonna finish up here. Close everything up, and I'm heading out of here before it actually starts to pour down. So yeah.